Welcome to Shop Talk. We're looking at that Husqvarna 61 chainsaw, 61 cc's. Very popular firewood cutting saw. This one features a 20-inch Husqvarna bar with a 3/8 pitch chain, 72 CJ chain. That's a skip tooth chain, chisel bit. Skip is a sequence between the teeth. That's a sprocket nose bar. That is a new bar and new chain. And we'll take a look at some of the features this Husqvarna has. Kill switch is right here. Choke is on the right. It does have a throttle lock. When you squeeze the trigger, push this lever down, you can lock the trigger down for quarter throttle starting. Side load on the fuel reservoir and on the oil reservoir. Oil reservoir up here. Half wrap handlebar we call it. It is rubber mounted for vibration isolation. Mounts here, here, and up on the top. Chain tensioner, loosen the two nuts up. And then right inside here is a chain tensioner. Just tighten the screw up. This does not have a functional chain brake. If you run this saw, you're going to have to get a chain brake for it. Saw starts, runs good. We'll go outside and make a cut with it.